Hello students, in class ninth, our first chapter is chapter 8 motion. For understanding motion, in this chapter we have many physical quantities. Some of these are distance, displacement, speed, velocity, acceleration. If we know about these physical quantities, we can understand this chapter easily. We have already done distance, displacement, speed and velocity. We have already done these four physical quantities. Today we will understand acceleration. So our today's topic is acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration is denoted by A. I have put an arrow on the head of A. Why I have put this arrow? This arrow indicates it is a vector quantity. So which type of quantity is acceleration? It is a vector quantity. Now, what is the definition for acceleration? Definition for acceleration is rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. What is the meaning of this word rate of change of velocity? Suppose there is a straight road. There is no any curve, no any turn, no any bending in this road, and there is a car, and this car is moving on this straight road, and car is going with a speed. Suppose initial speed of the car is 30 meter per second. After 1 second, its speed changed to 40 meter per second, and this changes within 1 second. Time duration for this change is 1 second. After 1 second, there is again the speed of car is changed, and now speed is 50 meter per second. So now you can see the speed of car is changing because car is moving on a straight road. So speed and velocity both are same because there is no change in direction. So I can also say the speed or velocity of car is at starting position. Suppose it is starting position, it is 30. After 1 second it is 40. After 1 second it is 50. So you can see the speed is changing, and rate of change of velocity mean how much velocity is changing in per unit time. So how you will calculate the rate of change of velocity? How you will calculate rate of change of velocity, which is actually acceleration. We can calculate it by change in velocity upon time. So how much is the change in velocity here? Velocity has changed from 50 to 30. So change is 30 minus 50, and in how much time? In 2 seconds. So how much is the change in velocity? 20 by 2. It is 10. I am not writing unit here right now. We will discuss what should be the unit of this 10 after few seconds. So this is the rate of change of velocity, mean how much velocity is changing per unit time, and this is known as acceleration. So what is the definition of acceleration? Rate of change of velocity is the definition of acceleration. And what about formula? So we can make a formula from here. So 30 is our initial velocity, and initial velocity is written by u. We have given a symbol for initial velocity, and this is our final velocity. We have given one more symbol for it. This is our final velocity, and we have given a symbol small v for this. So 50 minus 30 mean what we have subtracted? We have subtracted initial velocity from final velocity. So it is v minus u upon t. This is the formula for calculating acceleration. Now come to the unit. What should be the unit for this quantity? So change in velocity. What should be the unit of change in velocity? It will remain same, just like the unit of velocity. And what is the unit of velocity? It is meter per second. What is the unit for velocity? It is meter per second. And what is the unit of time? It is second. So now what is the unit of acceleration? Meter upon second into second. Meter upon second square. This is meter per second square. So what is our unit for acceleration? Meter per second square is the unit of acceleration. So all these was about this physical quantity, acceleration. So what did we understand for these physical quantities? We can conclude what did we learn? Acceleration. First thing, it is a vector quantity and its symbol is A. Second thing, its formula is, its definition is rate of change of velocity. Its formula is v minus u upon t. Its unit is meter per second square. These are the main 4 points about this physical quantity, acceleration. Hello students, in this video we will understand types of acceleration. We have different types of acceleration. So we will understand how many types of acceleration we have.